Hey, this is Jimmy with Truck Builders. Today I have this Virginia medical van, and I'll be giving you a tutorial from the inside out. Okay, so over here to the right, it's kind of hidden. You got your Cummins switch panel for the generator. All you want to do is hold this button, and you should start hearing the generator crank. Once it had cranked, just let it go. You should see the hours right next to it. And over here to the right, you got your 12 volts interior lights. So this, when you turn that on, you should see like the middle section of lights turn on. So down here below, you got your 50 amp outlet, and the vehicle will come with the 50 amp adapter. What you want to do is just, this is a simple, easy process. Push it in, and it will twist lock right away, meaning it won't come out with being tugged or whatever. And this can easily connect to a normal extension cord and to a building or to a generator. Okay, so in the moment that you come into the van, you should see the breaker panel. The number 1 and number 2 is your main. Number 3 is your Class B sterilizer, your medical equipment. Number 4 is your outlet number 4. Number 6 is your outlet number 3. Number 7 is your AC. Number 8 is your under-counter ambient lighting. Number 9 is your microwave and outlet number 8. Number 10 is your outlet number 1. Number 11 is your medical refrigerator, your medical equipment, and your outlets 6 to 7. And then number 12 is your exterior outlets. Number 13 is your PepLink modem that is in this cabinet. Number 14 is your under countertop lighting. And number 15 is your outlet number 5. Number 16 is your outlet number 2. Number 17 is your interior lights. So that should turn on your left and your right side. Okay, so on the passenger side, this seat is able to do a full 360. So what you want to do down here is hold on that lever and just slowly start turning it. See more back here, up in this cabinet, you got your modem, your Wi-Fi modem. Down here, you got your hazard triangle and you got your fire extinguisher. As we move along, you got your medical equipment that is fully strapped and secured as the van moves on. And to the right, you got your dry erase board, you got your small TV, as well as you got this switch that turns on and off the left section and the right section. Okay, so in the back of the van, we're gonna start with this back here is your sound dampening curtain. And as we head on forward, you got your AC on top. You got this little knob. You decide if you want it hot or cold, really cold. And over here to the first one, the first knob, either you want a fan or you want cold air, low cold air, medium cold air. And then back here, you got your microwave. Over here, you got your storage, another storage for medical equipment. Below, you got your medical equipment. You got your soap you got your paper towel dispenser. You got your soap dispenser. You got your hand washing station. You got your other medical equipment, and down here, you got your X-ray equipment and storage as well. As we move along, down here you got your water pump, your fresh water tank, your wastewater tank. This is your water pump, that's your water heater. Okay, so when you turn on the breaker, you want to make sure that you flick this little switch on. So that right now it's on the on position, meaning that your water pump and your water heater should work properly. And once you're done, over here, you got your all 3 thermometer alarm. You got your Fahrenheit, your high and low, your recent, and over here to the right tells you the temperature. Nice and neat for storage. So you got your blue stool chair, and then you got your medical bed chair. These comes with straps, so they're fully strapped to the floor. You want to make sure you put them in the X cross position, as well as you got your little bungee cord to wrap around the blue stool and keep it locked in when you're on the move, as well as you got this little lever that helps the bed raise up or lower down. Okay, so as we come down to the middle section of the van, you got the restroom. An important fact is that before you're about to take a load, you want to make sure that you pull the lever and keep it open. Once you're done with that, you want to make sure that you close the lever. Once you're done, you want to make sure that you want to press that little blue button in the back that will flush the toilet automatically for you. Okay, so on this little pole, you will have your awning switch panel. You want to make sure that it's in the on position, and as well this is connected to the battery, so it gets 12 volts. So you got your extend, you got your retract. All you want to do is press it once and it will do the job for you. So right now it's extending. Underneath it, you got some LED lights as well.